Cook some minced beef carousel. You put it up to here. Put it up to 20 minutes. Hit go. Off we go.
And what if I wanted to cook something like perhaps custard?
Custard. Wait a minute. Not that one. Custard.
Custard.
Off we go.
That says custard. I know you can't read it because it's all blurry.
That's the pint of custard.
Right,
We're
okay.
cooking a pint here. However, if you wanted to defrost some bread, come on, where's the bread? Bread on the defrost. Defrost some pasta dish. And we've got 12 ounces of pasta dish. Put it there. Off we go. Fast track. 12 minutes. Done.
So your parents are looking to, well, they're not looking to replace the microwave because clearly it's a problem to replace a microwave such as this. That there isn't going to be anything this simple, is there? From the digital modern age.
And the lady in comment couldn't provide us with anything this close.
So we have looked.
I don't quite understand what the difference between heat and cook is. Cook. Heat. What do you heat and what do you cook? I can cook a baked apple, but I can heat a hot dog. Also, high radiation involved. Where is this? Yeah. Hole. Back deformation.
What's sitting here?
I sat there.
So this is you as a small child in this seat just here, Alex in the seat,
and
then.
I correct myself. This is fantastic story. Everyone loves it. It's like the Toshiba cook. It's called Toshiba. The ER. You've got to go to ER. It's called the ER.
It's called the ER 649.
I don't think there was a microwave before this.
It's probably the first microwave.
And yeah, it's a tin microwave. Despite the nuclear
that's actually,
that's happened in
apart from the radiation stains, there are no stains.
And you can jinx it and make it think that it's cooking when it's not. But I don't want to do that. No, I'm not going to do that because it's probably.
Again with the radiation.
Let's just do that. No.
So some of the things we've got in here: casserole, chicken, fruit pudding, steak pudding, meat, vegetables, pasta, plated meal, 12 ounces, jacket potato soup, steak pie, sweet portion, and hot dog. No. Joint of beef, leg of lamb, sauce, pasta, minced beef, fish, just fish, large sliced loaf. There you go, there's your bread. Chicken portion, boil in the bag. It just says boil in the bag, it doesn't say anything else.
Chicken supreme.
Steak, cream, sponge cake. So steak, cream, sponge cake, they're both there. And Danish pastry. I like the blueness there of the defrost.
Defrost. I like blue.
Defrost, blue.
Because you can still cook things. It's not like you can't cook things in defrost.
Yeah.
That's what confused me when I was younger. I thought, no. When I'm cooking my spag bol from Sainsbury's, I can't use defrost settings. But you can. You can.
How do you know that? Where did you find that out?
There was a manual.
Huh?
It's like the Holy Grail.
So you're telling me there's a manual, but you're not going to show it to me?
No, not now. Not yet.
Another day.
Another day for the manual of Toshiba. Can we end on a...
Please do. Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.